Have you ever opened Google Photos and seen the message, storage is full or almost full? If you set your phone to save photos in the best quality, that free 15 gigabyte runs out fast. Videos take up even more space. But what if that wouldn't be the case? What if you don't have to delete your pictures? You just compress them and make the file smaller to get back a lot of free space, and your photos will still look great. Stay with me. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step on a smartphone. Before we proceed, here's something important. Don't open the Google Photos app for this. You'll actually need to open your browser, like Chrome, and go to your Google Photos account from there. Just follow what I show you on the screen, and you'll be good to go.
So on your Google Photos on your web browser, you're supposed to click on the three dots or even the menu, and then you scroll down to where you see the settings, tap on it, and then you're supposed to select the storage saver. This is for the future images and videos that you will upload. You're supposed to tap on the manage storage. And after that, you should scroll down to where you see the recover storage. Okay, after the review and delete, you should see the recover storage. You should tap on the learn more, and then you should tick this checkbox, and then tap on the compress existing photos and videos. This will take some few hours to almost a day, and then it should be complete.
Just remember two things. One, the picture quality gets a tiny bit lower, but you'll hardly see it on your small screen. Two, Google will need several hours to go through all your files and make them smaller in size at a slightly lesser quality. And that's it. Now you know how to clear up space, not just for the photos and videos you already have, but also for any new ones you add from now on. Be productive, and see you on the next one.